Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to remove saved login information on Facebook. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook app and log in your account. And now, I want you to do is to click on the menu button or the three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the settings button or icon at the upper right side of your screen. So now I want you to is to scroll down until you see security and login. And here you can see where you are logged in. So if you want to remove a device, you just want to click on the three little dots at the right side of it and click on log out. And when you click logged out, your account will log out on that device. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.